What's up, guys? Sorry it's dark. It's about 6 a.m. right now. Today's probably going to be like the biggest day of my life because I'm buying a new vehicle. So yeah, come along on the journey.
Alright, I'm with Cole right now. He's washing the window. And we're on our way right now to Tahoe. We're about 4 hours out. We've got all but like a minute down the road. So I'm not gonna record all of it, but I'll probably pick it up when we get to Tahoe or when we're almost there. Well, I don't know, dude. That's fitment. That's also a Prius. Headed to Best Buy right now. Gotta go get some stuff. Cole's gonna get a new lens. I'm gonna get an AM FM transmitter so I can listen to music on that long fucking ride home. Best Buy number 2. The first one didn't have the lens. We're heading in. Then we're going to Tahoe. Get in the truck. So Cole just bought a, I don't even fucking, what is this, dude?
This is an L series 70-200 fixed 2.8 f-stop Canon lens.
Do you want to disclose the price or no?
It was about $2,000 for just the lens, without
just
tax.
the lens, yeah.
And inside is this nice case. Check
Dude,
that.
no, that's like no joke.
That's literally all that's in the box. There's nothing else. Okay, nothing in there. Nice soft-sided case. And this in the bubble wrap. Little lanyard, little strap. Another plastic bag. More plastic. Here's the hood. Nice detachable hood. Then inside this cloth here, there she is.
Wow, dude, look at that.
Nice
Shit.
tripod collar here.
Can you believe that, dude? $2,000 for some shit that's been out since 2003. But look at it, dude. You can't beat it. So, that's the new lens. Obviously, it's a cool lens. Alright guys, well there you have it. I got a 04 Silverado 5.3 4-wheel drive Z71. I already got it a little bit dirty. We're on some a little bit of mild trail action. Thing's sick. Super beautiful out here. Anyways, it's a long drive. I'll make a whole video explaining exactly the truck itself and everything about it. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy how great it is. So, yep.